When you start talking about one of the largest shops in the country, you have to put MPI in that category. When you start talking about one of the shops in the country that has the greatest collection of modern tools and technology, you have to put MPI in that category. What about volume of staff with 45 plus strong MPI? What about locations? What about multi-site facility at the MPI as well? What about awards? MPI. What about Pebble Beach? MPI. What about world-class greatness and longevity? MPI. What about cutting edge? MPI. What about hiring young people? MPI. But what I love about the story, it started in the mind. It started in the hearts of three friends.
They were all very, very good. They started this company when they were in their mid-20s. So they were all buddies.
Three?
Yep, they were all friends.
Yeah, I got you. It started from them. Mm-hmm. I got you. This was the upholsterer, but what did he do originally? You remember?
Wayne was primarily a painter. So when he went to tech school, just like a lot of people that are in this industry,